Today, we're going to address an issue that's been irritating and driving me nuts for years, and I just can't take it anymore. Have you seen recently $15 premiums on American Silver Eagles? You have got to be kidding me. I've had enough of people hyping the American Silver Eagle and not adding value to your lives by telling you to go keep buying this because you'll get your money back when you sell. The truth is, you don't. For years, I've watched these hypers and pumpers try to convince us that this was okay, all these different reasons. And here's the reality: it doesn't make sense. I'm going to show you how it doesn't make sense because they are just misleading us and telling you that you're going to get your money back when you sell it. And the only way that really works is if there's a bigger fool than you. As irritating as this may be, ultimately, it is our fault. So let's talk about it. Undoubtedly, I've already pissed a number of you off and you just can't wait to at me in the comments. And my hope is that you watch this whole video first. I say it's our fault and our responsibility because as investors, it's our responsibility to manage ourselves and we have to own our own results. And while the pumpers and all those folks drive me nuts, let's be clear. We make a decision when we go into the coin shop to buy it or not buy it. And ultimately, it's our responsibility to learn, to do our own research, take in the information, eliminate the noise, and ultimately decide what's the best way to stack. And so, you've heard me say this, and I'll keep saying this. You, as the investor, is more important than the investment. And you have to invest your time in learning before you invest money because you always have more time than you do money. And this is one of those situations that if you take the time to really look at the numbers and look at the premium that you pay for the American Silver Eagle versus what you receive on the buyback, there's no way in the world that buying American Silver Eagles make any sense. Not at $15, $12, $8, maybe at $4. So let's dig in a little deeper. As a stacker and investor, two of my guiding principles are your money is made when you buy and you never go broke making a profit. And this relates specifically to the beautiful, don't get me wrong, I think the coins are gorgeous. Type 1, Type 2, you can argue about that all day long. Either way, I do believe they are beautiful coins. But at $15 in premium, that's a 66% premium. I checked earlier, if you bought one American Silver Eagle, it was $41.24. And today's spot is $25.35 at the time of recording. That is a 62% premium. That means silver has to go up 62% just for you to break even on that Eagle. And yeah, you'll get a few bucks back on the buyback, but you're not getting $15 back. You're not getting 8, you're not getting 12. You might get 3 to 4 if you're lucky. So what this all comes down to is the spread. Okay, let's look at the real numbers here. Spot $25.35. Your acquisition cost would be $41.24. Now let's pretend we went into the future and spot is now $48.24. You take that same coin to a dealer. The dealer says, great, I'm going to give you $51.24 for that. You're excited because it's $3 over what spot is currently at. So as you can see here on this slide, premium recovery is $3. That means your profit is $10. You bought it for $41.24. You sold it for $51.24. $10 profit. But here's the problem. The spread. The spread is still $12.89 that you did not recover. Yeah, you got $3 extra over spot when you sold it, but you paid $15.89 to acquire it. This is why it has, for years now, not made sense to buy American Silver Eagles. It doesn't matter how pretty you are. It doesn't matter that you feel like they're more recognizable. None of that stuff matters because your money is made when you buy, not when you sell. And you see here that even though spot went up and you got an extra $3, there's still $12.89 that is in someone else's pocket and not yours. That's why these Eagles have you spread. Let's continue. But it's still only a $1 coin when it's all said and done. And so it being backed means it's backed for $1, and none of us are buying these coins for $1. And yes, they're very desired and very popular, but where in the world are you going to get someone to pay you $15 over spot for the Eagle? Yeah, there are people on eBay that do it, and I guess that's maybe true, but I don't see that happening, because why would I buy your American Silver Eagle for $15 over spot when I can go to JM Bullion? And we also have to remind ourselves that premiums are always changing. And so what is $15.89 today can easily come back down to $4 tomorrow. The reason why they're getting away with $15.89 premiums is because we keep paying for it. And the minute that we stop buying American Silver Eagles and stop paying their premiums, they'll stop charging the amount. What I'm going to tell you as a stacker is you should be buying whatever you can get closest to spot, as opposed to these Silver Eagles. Let me give you an example here. As you can see on the screen, I'm going to give you a comparison of what would happen if you purchased a 1 kilogram bar versus a 1 ounce generic bar versus, let's say, a Philharmonic versus American Silver Eagle. And in this example, we're going to have all 4 scenarios spend the exact same amount of money. And forgive me, because this is actually an example I used in a different video. So the spot price here is $23.29. But you can see that all 4 are going to spend $1,045.76. And what you'll see is that if you buy those American Silver Eagles, which at that time, I only had the premium listed at $9.39, you can see that after buying 32 ounces, the person who bought the kilo still had $221 to spend, and the person who bought the generic still had $176 to spend. And so what does that really mean? Well, if you look here, you can see that when it's all said and done, and while that doesn't sound like a lot, I want you to take a look at this slide here where we talk about and we explore selling at a local coin shop. Now you can see in green, I pulled that off to the side a little bit there. That's the kilo bar example, and that's completely different. But I want you to look at the second column here with that 1 ounce generic. And if they all sold at the same time, the profit automatically, before anything else, is still better with the generics. You can see those 32 ounces sold at $43.29 an ounce would yield a profit of $515 off of the original investment. With the Silver Eagle, it's only $467. And it's that spread that's killing the deal. And then if you just look a little below that $515 number, what you'll see is that those additional ounces that we purchased, now we can make another $259 off of those additional ounces. Because see, the money that you put in that premium is dead money. It's not growing with the price of spot. It's not increasing it's just dead money. While the person who bought the generic ounces can go back, take that extra money, and buy more ounces that are appreciating from the $23.29 price all the way up to $43.29. And so you can see in this comparison here that when it's all said and done, the person who spent the same amount of money initially and bought generics versus American Silver Eagles had a profit of $775 compared to $467 for those American Silver Eagles. You can't tell me you get your money back when you sell. Those are the numbers. Don't argue with me, argue with the numbers. So it's obvious. If you look at the numbers, buying generics makes all the sense in the world. Our job is to take our fiat currency and get as many ounces as possible. And so it then becomes about stacking the cheapest, most recognizable metal that we can find. Because you don't get your money back when you sell. You don't get that premium back when you sell. You make your money when you buy, and how you can leverage your dollars into as many ounces as possible that are appreciating over time. I hope that you can see, based on the data and just your common sense, buying these Eagles doesn't make any sense. And so I want you to do something today. I want you to, from this day forward, say, I will not let those Eagles spread me. Or, I won't go spread Eagle. Or, you know what I mean. Now that I've worked you all over to a lather and I've got some of you fired up and ready to argue with me, please share your comments. Thank you for your time. Hit the like and subscribe button. And can't wait to read your comments. As always, stack smarter and never stop learning.